Hi, I'm happy to present our feeding capabilities for battery materials. Extremely accurate gravimetric loss and weight or gain in weight feeders can be provided for your materials, whether they be cathode active or anode active materials. And I would highly encourage anyone interested in accuracy to send us some materials. We have testing facilities around the world. We'd be happy to demonstrate how accurate we can make the continuous loss and weight control or the loss and weight or gain and weight batching control. So feeder I'm standing in front of today is a quick change unit. There's a single screw feeder bowl attached to the gearbox and hopper. It could easily be changed over to a twin screw without affecting the rest of the feeder. And we would determine in our test whether a single screw feeder would be best, a twin screw feeder, what type of agitation would be required, if any, and the other features that would be built into the feeder to make your material handling and your feeding accuracy as best as we can provide to you. This hopper is connected to an active flow device. It can also have a vertical agitator on top. And again, we would learn in our testing whether promoting flow from agitation or from vibration would be required. But after determining the mechanical side of things and understanding what feeding device would be best, we would pair that with an accurate load cell system. We make our own smart force transducers that have extremely high accuracy and break down the weight that we're reading into 8 million counts, so it can provide extremely accurate millisecond to millisecond control if it's a continuous process, or extremely accurate batches if it's a batch process. We also make our own controls, and we would pair the controls with the smart force transducers that are the load cells and the mechanical device to provide the optimum control for your processes. And again, I encourage the testing and taking advantage of our testing facility so we can demonstrate exactly how accurate we can be.